Hey guys, it's Yvette and I have received a small order from Free Spirit today, and I'm pretty sure these are the pre-cuts that I have that I ordered. I don't even remember when I ordered them, but they've come in. I don't even remember what exactly I ordered, so let's get it open. I just thought I would come on real quick and give you guys a little peek at what it is. So let's see. Oh, okay. Alrighty. Okay. I have these are Tula Pink True Colors Fat Quarter Bundles. And this is the Starling pack. So I will attempt to go through and see which actual pieces are in there, because they do these special fat quarter bundles with I think they do it with Tula and they do it with Kaffe, and so I'll go in, figure out what's in Starling, and let you guys know. I will put that in the description for the item in the shop. So I have 2 of those. I have no idea if I'm going to keep any, but I'm just telling you what I got. And plus, it's like, I think whenever I did order it, like I wasn't 100% sure like what people would be interested in. I mean, you really can't ever be 100% sure what people are going to be interested in, to be honest with you. But anyway, so this was some of the stuff that I ordered. This is the Tula Pink True Colors Fat Quarter Bundle, and it's called Peacock. So I'll tell you what's in Peacock. I can see that there's some Whisper back there. There's some mint up here. So I'll let you know what's in there. I have 2 of those. And this is the Tula Pink True Colors Fat Quarter Bundle called Flamingo. And that's that one. I'll let you know what's in that bundle. Each of these has 16 fat quarters in it. I think that's true for everything. Yep. Probably shaking the camera a little bit. Sorry about that. Okay, so I also... Oh, look. It looks like the Peacock, I have 4, because this is Peacock again. There's 2 boxes, so I'm really, let's just keep going and I'll tell you what's in here. This one is actually the Kaffe Fassett Collective Classics. This is a 20-piece fat quarter bundle, and this is the Parakeet bundle. And they taped the good side, so I'll just show you this side, and I'll let you know what's in that one. But there's that. This is the Kaffe Fassett Collective Classics 20-piece fat quarter bundle in Equator. They keep taping like the good side. Look how they did the good side. Anyway, those are the colors. I will let you know what's inside. And then I have... oh, okay, so this is another 2 of the Starling. So I've got 4 Starling and 4 of the Peacock. So I'm sure I must have 4 of the Flamingo. So we're going to keep going. This is... Oh, okay, so this is Anna Marie Horner. And she also has fat quarter bundles. The thing is, like, in at Free Spirit, not everyone has pre-cuts. So most everyone who has collections will only sell yardage. And so when I had gone in, whenever, I was looking for pre-cuts because I started thinking to myself, okay, I think it's actually yardage that's really not working for me. So if I'm going to do anything, it's going to be like pre-cuts. And I figured I can try to get the smaller bundles. And if that is a problem, then I can just break them down and try to do that. So we'll see how this goes. But this is Anna Marie Horner, and this is Love Always AM, which is Anna Maria. And I don't know if you guys have seen that collection, but if you like Anna Marie Horner, this is one of the good ones. I'm not, listen, I mean, I'll be completely honest. Most of the time, it's sort of like with Kaffe. I like them, but it kind of scares me sometimes. But every single time that I see a quilt that is made with Kaffe Fassett fabrics, I absolutely love it. So I think what I need to do, and maybe what we, you know, if you're interested anyway, you know, because maybe you're not, and that's cool beans. But is to find a pattern that you really like. Maybe if you see a quilt that you like with his fabric, find that pattern and then work with it. Because I think that's the key. It's sort of like you have to find the right pattern. That's what I think. So anyway, here's the Anna Marie Horner, Anna Maria Horner, sorry, and Love Always AM. Those are, I have 4 fat quarters of that. And then this one, okay, so she also has different packages. This one says, first of all, there are 16 pieces. This is the Always collection, right? Those colors. That's the Always collection. And this is Love Always AM as well, but this is the Love collection. And so here are the colors in Love. I will attempt to figure out which ones are in each bundle and put that with the listing in the shop so that you can see that. You guys, please just be a little patient that I am working to get everything in the shop. You know, I just got kind of a ton of things to do, and I will get it in there, I promise, and I'm going to try to do that in a very timely manner. If you're interested, you know, I don't want you having to wait too long, so I'm going to do the best I can. But I did try to get the fat quarter bundles broken down. So this is also a 16 pack. Yes, okay. Now there's another box. Ugh. Okay. So, where am I? Okay. This is the Kaffe Fassett Collective Classics. That's a mouthful. 20-piece fat quarter bundle in Prism. And, of course, they've taped the good side, so you can at least see the colors. And this, I like this one a lot. So, I mean, I might be keeping like one of these because I'm serious. Like when I say I'll see like a quilt and I love it, but when I go to purchase like yardage, it kind of scares the poop out of me. So I thought, you know what? I'm just going to get the fat quarter bundles so that whatever comes, that's what I'm using, and I'm not going to flip out over it, right? So I don't have to actually go and get fabric cut. I've got fat quarter bundles. So I really like this one. This was like one of my faves, but I like all of them. So I might keep like one fat quarter bundle of each one and then just kind of throw them all in a quilt. You guys, I am excited about it. I just feel like this was the way for me to go. So this is also Prism. It's the same one that you just saw. So I'm going to put that up there. I've got 4 fat quarter bundles of that one, which means there will at least be 3 in the shop of all of these. And what is this? Okay, this is, did I already have Emperor? Hold on. Ugh. What is this one? That's Equator, Prism, and Parakeet. Okay, so I think that Prism, because I really liked that one, I got 4. And everything else, it looks like I probably only got 2. That's what it's looking like. Yeah, because, okay. So this is the Kaffe Fassett Collective Classics 20-piece fat quarter bundle in Emperor. And those are the colors. I really do love his fabric. Some reason, like when I see it on a boat, freaks me out. I don't know why. I'm just one of them crazy people. Okay, so this is Tula Pink True Colors 16-piece fat quarter bundle, and this is in Goldfish. I have 2 of those. So it looks like I got 2 Goldfish and 2 Flamingo, and everything else I got 4 of. This is the Kaffe Fassett Collective Classics 20-piece fat quarter bundle in Ocean. I have 2 of those. And, you know, we'll just have to see how these go. If they are not big sellers, then I just don't have to get them again. I just got a couple, so we'll just see how it goes. Let's see. Okay. I think these are all the same. Let's see, 1. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is all the same. So, these finally came back in stock because I had ordered them a bit ago, and now I'm finally getting mine. So hopefully people still want it. I still love it, and I'm really excited because I have been wanting to have fat quarter bundles. And I missed like the first round or 2, I don't know. But this is the Tula Pink Line Work 13-piece fat quarter bundle. Now there's 4 in here, so you're seeing 4 bundles, and those are the bundles. And of course, you got this gorgeous, oh God, I love that print. And so I'm gonna put what's in these in the shop as well, so that you know what's in these bundles. And I have 6 of these. So even if I keep 1 or 2, there'll still be, you know, like 4 or so in there for you. So, there's, oh wait, hold up. That's 4, 8, I have 12. That's what I've got. I'm really was banking on the fact that everybody loves line work. Because I do. See, that's what I do. I go, oh, I love that. Everyone's going to want it. So we'll have to see how that goes. So that's what I got today. Just want to come on real quick and show you. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks so much for watching. Mwah.